Banabaman Abshin, let's make something to eat using grain-filled chicken. I'm going to be using the freshly frozen chicken thighs, patting it down for any excess water. Then I'm just going to be cutting my thighs just so that when I add my spices, it just goes all the way in. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees and mix up your favorite spices that you're going to be using to season your chicken. You're going to add a bit of oil in your chicken, and then you're going to make sure to get all those spices in between. Work those spices, okay? Place it in an oven dish, and then you're going to prepare your vegetables, which are carrots, onions and potatoes. Cut those into chunky pieces and season them as well. Then mix everything together and place everything in the oven. Make sure to check on your chicken halfway through, about 20 minutes, and then allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. All right, look at that chicken, crispy, delicious. Oh, I can't wait to dig in. I'm just plating it and I'm serving it with some spicy rice. Guys, when I tell you, I was just like, oh. All right, we're gonna do a taste test. Oh, okay. And I was very pleased at this point. I just wanted to go enjoy my food in peace. So let me do exactly that. I hope you guys try this recipe and